Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 2 to the power x plus 4 to the power x is equal to 8 to the power x. Okay, or divided both sides by 8 to the power x, we can write here 2 to the power x over 8 to the power x plus 4 to the power x over 8 to the power x is equal to 8 to the power x over 8 to the power x. Or now we know an exponential rule, a to the power m over b to the power m is equal to a over b whole to the power m. So apply this formula, we can write here 2 over 8 whole to the power x plus 4 over 8 whole to the power x is equal to, here this 8 to the power x cancel out this x to the power 8 to the power x, so here we will get 1. Or now 2 divided by 8, here we will get 1 over 4 whole to the power x plus here we will get 1 over 2 whole to the power x is equal to 1. Or now here we can write 1 over 2 whole square, because 2 square that means 4 whole to the power x plus 1 over 2 whole to the power x is equal to 1. Or now again we know an exponential formula, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn is equal to a to the power n whole to the power m. Now apply this formula, here we can write 1 over 2 whole to the power x square plus 1 over 2 whole to the power x is equal to 1. Now let 1 over 2 whole to the power x is equal to y. Okay, so here we can write y square plus y is equal to 1, or y square plus y, now take this positive 1 to left side, we will get negative 1 is equal to 0. Now this is a nice quadratic equations. We know that y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to negative 1. Or y is equal to minus b is equal to 1, so we can write here 1 plus or minus square root of b square, that means 1 square minus 4 times a is equal to 1 times c is equal to negative 1 over 2 times a is equal to 1. Or y is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square, that means 1. We know minus times minus is plus, 4 times 1 is 4 over 2 times 1 is 2. Or y is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 over 2. So here we will get two values of y, so we can write here y is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, or y is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. Or but remember, let y is equal to 1 over 2 whole to the power x, so we can write here 1 over 2 whole to the power x is equal to square root of 5 minus 1 over 2, or y that means 1 over 2 whole to the power x is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. But we know this is always positive value, but this is always negative value. So positive not equal to negative, so this is rejected. Now here, taking log on both sides, we can write here log of 1 over 2 whole to the power x is equal to log of square root of 5 minus 1 over 2. Now we know an logarithm formula, so we can write here this x move here, so we can write x times log of half is equal to log of square root of 5 minus 1 over 2. Now divided both sides by log of half, we will get the value of x is equal to log of square root of 5 minus 1 over 2 base half, and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.